In this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to empty and restock your Elmeco machine with slush mix. A couple of things you're going to need: an empty container for the mix that I'm going to decant, and another container with just tap water. At the moment, I've got all three tanks set to cold mode. This is just keeping the mix chilled down at refrigeration temperature. All I'm going to do here is press the mode button to switch it from cold mode into motor on mode. That means the motor's going to keep spinning the augers, but it's not actually going to chill anything down. So nice and simple, keep the drip tray in place, place your empty tank underneath and just pull the handle. Okay, that tank's now empty. So assuming you're doing this as part of your cleaning process, reassemble your machine after cleaning it. But before you put your mix back in, there is a test I'd like you to do. Fill the tank with water just above the line of the seal, and what we're doing is we're actually testing for any leaks. It will leak if you've not set the tank back on to the base properly. If it is leaking, then you're only wasting a little bit of water, which will just dribble out into the drip tray, rather than wasting your slush mix, which can also be quite sticky. Fill it up with water, as I say, to just above the level of the seal. Wait a few moments and you'll find out pretty quickly if there are any leaks, because what will happen, water will come down into this channel and out of this hole down the bottom into the drip tray. Okay, so it's pretty clear there's no leaks in this case. I've dispensed the water back into my empty container. Now I'm going to put that slush mix from the fridge, ideally, back into the slush machine. When you've filled that up, be sure to put the lid back on. You'll know if it's set correctly because the light will come back on. And then from motor on mode, I'm going to go back into slush mode. That's pretty much all there is to it for emptying and refilling your slush machine. If you want more detail on how to clean the machine, that's going to be linked in this video here. And for any other tips, general troubleshooting or general tips on how to use your Elmeco, there's also another video which I've linked there as well. See you next time. Thanks.